नाम साहर याकूब है। आई एम एन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट आर्टिस्ट। मेरी प्रैक्टिस मैंने शुरू की पैंडमिक के दौरान। इट वाज समथिंग दैट आई यूज्ड टू मेक सेंस ऑफ दिस टाइम फॉर माई सेल्फ। आई just started making pieces every day. I initially just wanted to have them on Instagram, but Instagram is a great tool that helped me gain outreach in many parts of the world. I had a few shows in Europe through my Instagram page, which were very well received. All of my pieces are a depiction of different times within COVID or issues that I feel I want to talk about in society. I feel painting is a great outlet and would love to encourage people to work more on their craft. This is a piece called Sprawl. इसको बनाने के लिए initially मैंने surface पे gesso, salt and sand use किया था to make a texture that embodies more natural phenomenons. As you can see, the paints have been spread in a circular motion. This piece is mainly about the concept of charity and how even a small effort made by anyone acts as a ripple effect towards society. So this is a piece dedicated towards charity. This is another piece that I've done called Forage. Forage में मैंने colours जो इस्तेमाल किए हैं वो बहुत they were inspired by the Turkey wildfires. It was something that I wanted to so this piece is mainly for donation, and any money that I gain from it will be going to the Turkey Wildfire Foundation for the people who lost their homes and with their livelihood because of the environment being affected by such phenomenons.